Omurebereze Ruben Kisembo okushaba government kuchendeza habisharebirwa habwo omuntu kutunga permit abira ryaha mukoro gwo kwijuka Road Safety Week eyo murundi gwa 15 kandi nkobureberezi babire nibijwe omureberezi Patrick Charugonza owagwira mu Rubutandu omwaka gwa 2021 aha umwaka ogu emikore korirwa hari St Andrews Church of Uganda omurembo rwa Fort Portal.
To reduce on the cost of acquiring a driving permit. Kwa cost inayo haiguru mara watu bana balema kujitunga. It's too expensive for some people. So my appeal to government is that they should reduce on this cost of acquiring a driving permit. Kwa abantu babona bazitunga wanda kujigoreza na sales haiguru muno, either acquiring it, either renewing it is expensive. So yake appeal ile ndikazaho kama tukonyere.
Bishop Kisembo nayenda polisi okutamamano kurebeka ngo abarukuhenda amateka ahanguto bakorwaho barukukora terekeragiro nko muringo ogwakumaraho butanduza hanguto.
Appeal yange harinywe please enforce traffic rules. Wali enforcing abuko banyawe nimanya ngo hara kigambo kizibu ngo biragiro biroho cyonka because of corruption tirukoba enforced biragirira. I just sent video clip kuruwaita nyaguze kwa mkuru ikubaza mtu anatemptia kulia nguzi yoka yanga na wetu leka tuetantale nguzi have good.
Okorgerra har Bishop Kisembo n'obujunanizibwa bwa buri muntu weno kukoresa enguuto okurinda amagara gabo barukukoratira amateka.
But if you haven't renewed your traffic driving permit ukaona police nokoraki noyiruka kuna manya ngo radio bitwire so leka bahulizi abagore ya traffic kwa shwaringa tuetantara fines complying nuko wetu burungi hangudo.
Omuhwezi wa mukuru wa polisi yebiruka hanguto Norman Musinga akiraha mukoro gukanda yerekero kwatwaho ahabwa abaserikara hanguta bari kuri yebetuga bakabara kufahamagara gabantu.
These accidents, yes, I can accept some extent, but we should not primarily attribute these fatal accidents to corruption alone.
Musinga nagira ngo no murumo gwa buri muntu okurebeka ngo bakwatanisa n'abapolisi okurwanisa butanduza hanguto.
We need to all wake up and do something that would really change the image of this region.
Ripoti ya polisi y'omwaka gwa 2024 nayireka ngo emishango yahangute emitwaro 42 kakagabe na 32 katwarwa ha polisi kandi kahendere rugire muza butandu emitwaro 2,517 kandi hariyeze 10,4 zikaba zirye zamani kandi kashanjo 539 zikaba zitari zamani. Repoti ni yemwe yureka ngo abantu emitwaro 2,588 abagwira mu Rubutandwezi bakafa. Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.